So now I will let you know how we can use tuples or how we can create tuples. So I have one variable add equals, like I'm doing addition of 3 plus 5. So what will be the output? Oh, I need to print it. Print add. So it's a simple statement and the output will be 8. So this operation is successful. Now what happens when I'm using the same but separated by comma, and now I want to print add multiply by 2. How it will work? Okay, you can see in output 8 is coming 2 times because we are multiplying by 2, but it is coming 2 times. If I will multiply with this 2 and see the output, so output is 16. I'm using comma, that's why it is considered as a tuple. And if we will apply multiply on tuple, so it will print n times. So n is the value of multiplication. If you are multiplying with 2, so it will print 2 times. If you are applying for 4, so output will be 8 4 times. So this is the difference, and we can use our tuples with slicing. Slicing I told you in string and list, like same we can print it. So we have this number and we have the indexing of this number, so from 0 to 4. If I want to print any subtuple, so directly I can print num, and if I will use colon, I will start from second to last. So from second indices to fourth one. So like that we can extract the subtuples from tuple. Okay, so it's very easy to use. So I'm having this tuple, okay, and we will see here what is the exactly difference between list and tuple. So I will create, this is num underscore tuple, so that you can easily identify, and num underscore list. So list will be created by using a square bracket. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, same element we are having. I will execute one statement, num underscore list of index 1. I want to insert 9, and I will print our num list. So output will be 1 9. So in place of 2 it got inserted. Now same task we will perform with tuple. Will it work? Let's see. Tuple index of 1 equals 9, and now I am printing num tuple. Error. So tuple object does not support item assignment. What is the meaning? We can't update it. List we can update, but tuple we can't update. So that is called immutability. So this is the main difference between tuple and list. So tuple is immutable and list is mutable. Okay, so we can't assign the value, or we can't update the value after assign once. So this is the main difference. Now we will see the membership of tuple. So using in keyword we can check. So now let's have a look. For example, I have fruits This is a tuple, and in this element is apple, banana, mango. And if I want to know apple is the item of fruits is not, so apple in fruits. So like list or string, you can use in or not in keywords. So it will return true. If a item will not present here, if I want to know orange is in my cart or not. So I have not added orange in my cart, that's why it's coming false. So using in keyword, you can check the membership in list, and all the operations you can perform whatever in list you can do with tuples also. But the difference is tuple is immutable. Now suppose an example, if you want to swap the value of two variables. So I have two variable x equals 5 and y equals 7. So how you will use or how you will solve this problem? I want to swap the value. Either you will use one temp variable like third variable, then you will perform, or you will perform with your mathematical logics. But here it is very simple. Let's see. It also comes inside tuples assignment. So how we can assign the value x comma y, and I will assign y comma x. Now just try to print. So x is x and y is equals y. So it got swapped. Only in one line statement we can swap the value in Python. So it's very interesting here. If you will write your logical operation or mathematics logic, or you are using third variable, then your operation should be in max 3 lines. So here we are minimizing it to 1 line. In starting lecture I told you we have the syntax in Python 1/3 or 1/5 of any language. Using the same concept, I will give you assignment. Try to solve it. So assignment is, you are having one email ID, suppose kapilsarma@gmail.com. This is the email ID, and I want the output should be like username uname equals Kapil Sharma. I want to extract this information from email ID variable. This is our domain and this is your username. So I want to extract it. Domain equals gmail.com. Please try to solve it. In next session, we will see a lots of operations with tuples, and I will solve this problem also.